Hello boys and girls. Right, okay, in maths this week we are thinking about halving and sharing. Okay, now what is halving? What is it? Can you think of what it might be? We could pause the video there and maybe you could tell a grown-up what you think halving is. Okay, right, well, let's show you if you're not sure. So I have an apple here. Let me just move my laptop down. You can see the apple. Okay, here's my apple. And I am going to cut it in half. Now I'm sure you all know. There we go. So I've cut my apple in half. Okay, so this is what it would look like when we are halving shapes. Okay, so we have a hole. Okay, and then what we want to do when we halve something, we split it into two. Okay, into two equal amounts. Okay, now so that is halving with shapes, halving with fruit. Okay, so what we're going to do this week, boys and girls, is do a little bit of that, and also we are going to halve numbers as well. So I've got some toys here and I am going to try and share them out fairly in half, a pile for me and a pile for Melody as well. Okay, so I have got, again, I'll put my laptop down again. I've got 2 plates. So one for me, one for Melody. Okay, and excuse my nails, boys and girls. Melody painted my nails yesterday and I don't have any nail polish remover, which I forgot about. So I've got lovely nails. So here we go. I am going to give some to me. There we go. And then some to Melody. So let's stand Melody's up. Oh, he doesn't stand up. Right. Now, boys and girls, have I halved the toys? Have I given an equal amount to me and an equal amount to Melody? What do you think? Can you tell a grown-up? Is that fair? And if it's not, can you say why not? Why isn't that fair? Well, I don't think it's fair because actually I have more than Melody does, don't I? I've got more on my green plate, more for me, but not the same amount for Melody. And I did say, didn't I, that when you halve something, both sides of the equal amount, you've both got the same. So let's try that again. And I'll halve these toys, share them out fairly. Okay, so one for Melody, one for me. One for Melody, one for me, one for Melody, one for me, one for Melody, one for me, one for Melody, one for me. What do you think now? I think it helps when I say one for Melody, one for me, or you could go one for you, one for me, one for you, one for me, because that does help you share things out fairly. So I haven't got any left over. I'm just going to count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on Melody's plate, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on my plate. So I have halved that amount. We've both got the same. So there was, let's count them all together. Okay, some of you might have worked that out. 5 add 5 is double 5 is 10. Yes, let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I had 10. That was my whole, and I halved it. I put 2, 4, 5 on Melody's plate, 2, 4, 5 on my plate. Okay, so I have halved 10 and 5 on each plate. Okay, so half of 10 is 5, okay, and double 5 equals 10. Well done, everybody. So what I would like you to do is, with a grown-up, I would like you just to practice sharing out some things today. It doesn't have to be toys, it could be fruit. Maybe your mummy or daddy, whoever's with you, could cut up some pieces of fruit. Can you share it out fairly between you and your mummy or daddy, or even your brother and sister? Make sure that that somebody else is doing the cutting of the fruit. Or someone's looking after you if you're using a knife. So yes, try counting out some fruit. See if you can halve the amount and share it out fairly. So take some pictures, you can record a video of you saying something. So yeah, have fun with that and share fairly all day. Okay.